Ubak pensengan NSIang MDC ke Maukar, pentorum kerab berukirtong ke Kongres, syaka election nong tau an jika yang dorbar ke jela Meghalaya, ke penlong ke arpenyo teri urempang arajar pulai ulak kop, dak ke boong, sepej kumno mau, ubade MLA sien nak katan nongkyndong kata na mau senram, pynliem yo MLA ubala job sien nak pentorum kerab konstituensi hasor kata ubak heg. Haba krench kilat patai kubor hedin ke jingalang priang burom yo ubak predecessor rumnong, syaka Kongres, haka arpenyo teri ukulalengkot arajar pulai ubak pensengan ulakop bamau batang saupos ngi ulala ban job yak election MDC na Maukar pentorum kra constituency house name arjar khat khandai hadin ke jingsha ram no jong u yak election MLA arjar khat pra na mau senram
ya kata ngal approve MLA nongkyndong uan yele MDC saupos ngi job na Maukar pentorum kra likewise namden problem ban job na pentorum kra namde issue Riumadan nang ni ngadi MDC jongga Maukar pentorum kra kadang job ya ka MDC election Maukar pentorum kra saupos ni na try license siten menta standard diubok nur ke sampai lesai nan job pun nang na try bahasa tu I had been long in politics. I had been as the Paul Raja for 10 years. I had been as the MLA for 10 years. I had been as the MDC for 2 times. I have been as the chairman, as leader of opposition in the state council, as MDC 3 times. I know the art of politics, as the MDC council. So I know the art of politics. I think you will see that all communities, they will support me. And that will be proved only on the 2nd of March. See, once in fact, I already intended to shift to pentorum kra. But during my time, very difficult to hold the sentiment of my people. But after I lost Mausenram, I contest from Maukar pentorum kra. Then that is the first stepping stone for me to decide to contest from pentorum kra. Because now I am no more the MDC of Mausenram. I am the MDC of pentorum kra. Then it is very justified for me to contest for pentorum kra.
Hadin kajing no ubak sambor lang dingdo ya ke All India Trinamool Congress wat hadin balapan bena ba undai kurtong ke parti na kate ke konstituensi ubak pensengan ulaong baka don ke aka selendat bat kadai ke kam yelek kai jong no re jong no
Kajing ni pan yele election tang apo katu kandesi kamtam ni election MLA ngan nom batai than kadon AA sekalendin kadon ke game jong no re jong tang bangat lagi pai bak ham start magi ban ya game jong no re jong nomor bala da piong ba banjok election menta ya ka MLA kat ka pentorum kra bodo koi kami gosuk in a very hurry decision edi biang inom kan than sata tambah ta koi ngong bi ibupun kandidat kiele banram ibaila banjok te tang athai tang ar lain na sai ti ba ma ti pai ba kan le sik bajok bi na pleng ni ar mut try